Okay, these were the 2 pages that we read last week, but I want you to review them because the paper that we're doing in our packet is a graded paper, and the information that we learned last week will help you with the paper. So let's go ahead and get our book open to page 45. I'm going to read 45 and 46. So get your word tracker, your finger, anything you have to help you follow along as I read. All right, so the title of this is What Governments Do. People living in groups need rules and laws. Your family needs rules. Families have rules about bedtime or keeping rooms neat. Schools need rules. Your classroom has rules about when to talk and when to listen. Citizens have laws too. Government leaders make laws for citizens. You have learned that your community has laws. Your local government makes laws for your community. Your state government makes laws for your state. Your national government makes laws for your country. All right, now we're on page 46. Citizens also have rights. A right is something you are free to do. Citizens of the United States all have certain rights. They are free to talk or write about anything. They are free to live and work where they choose. They can choose what they believe. Government leaders protect the rights of citizens. Governments must be careful to be just. All people should be treated fairly, but some people use freedom to hurt others or to dishonor God. God does not want people to use rights in this way. Good laws protect the rights that God wants people to have. Governments also provide services. The government uses tax money to pay workers in these service jobs. So, what are 2 things that the governments do? They make laws and they protect citizens' rights. And a third thing they do is they provide services. So you can see by these pictures, these are different people that work for the government and they provide a service to help citizens. On the next slide, you're going to hear the directions on our packet page, and then you're going to complete it. So go to that next.